Hello everyone, this short video is about one of the most exciting developments in Wordbee Translator during 2017. And this one is about automated file delivery processes for your clients. For this, two elements are needed. The first one is the workflow template. Now I'm logged in as a project manager and an administrator. In your workflow template, under the settings page, you should have one workflow profile that has the option ticked automatically copy, translated and saved file back in the client order upon workflow completion. And as the second step, this workflow should be selected in your new order configuration for your clients, which is again available under settings. In my order form configuration, here is my project workflow template. Now, if you have your workflow template with the automated option and then have the new order form with the right workflow template, and of course this new order form should also be available for your client. Now I will log in as a client. A client can only place an order. When your client creates an order, and then uploads a source file, clicks Next, and finally confirms the order, you receive a new order and a parallelly created project right away. Normally, your client is still able to display the source file they have uploaded to the Wordbee platform to your client portal. But now, let me log into the platform as a freelancer. If I refresh my page, since your automated workflow template and the new order form configuration allow you as a project manager to automatically offer this job to a number of suppliers, here I, as a freelance supplier, can see this new open project for me. Now, without any intervention of the project manager, a supplier can confirm the job, start working on it, let me just machine translate this segment, and then simply deliver. Everything is saved. With the automated file delivery for clients, as long as you have the relevant options ticked in your workflow template and new order form configuration, clients can now simply go to the target folder in their own platform and refresh the page and just see the target folder for their final file. Now they can simply download the file. I hope you like this brand new feature. Have a nice day.